This one Ableton device is so underrated, it's almost criminal. It's called Corpus, and once you learn how to use it, you'll probably never leave it out of your sound design chain again.
Before we hop into the video, quick announcement for you guys. I recently dropped a super fire, complete start to finish music production course. It's designed to give you every single tool you're ever gonna need to produce professional quality music in 30 days, either if you're totally brand new or if you've been producing for a while but you're just struggling to get your sound to the next level. It's over 17 hours of content distributed over 30 days of learning. We also have a super fire community where you can hop in and ask questions, free monthly sample packs, all kinds of cool stuff. Also, we've recently worked out a deal where if you sign up for the course, we can actually give you guys educational discounts on Ableton Live, FabFilter, Isotope, Sound Toys, Kilohertz, Arturia, and Output. So you can literally save thousands of dollars. And as of right now, the course is on sale, so it costs less than dinner. So definitely worth it, definitely worth checking out. Let's get into the video. So today we're gonna be looking at Corpus. Corpus is known as a physical modeling synth. So Corpus is a modal resonator, basically meaning it simulates the physical resonance characteristics of real-world objects like plates, tubes, strings, and membranes. So in simpler terms, Corpus can take your audio and make it sound like it's resonating inside something like a drum shell, metal bar, or a glass bottle. The reason why this is cool is because we love to take sounds and make them sound robotic and metallic, at least I do, and Corpus gives us that opportunity, and it's got some really powerful controls within it. So one thing I like to do is put it on my snare. So here's our little beat here. Now it's pretty, this is kind of the stock setting it comes on, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to tweak this and we're going to make it into something that kind of sounds cool and metallic and makes sense. And we have this tune knob here, which is going to give us the opportunity to kind of match the tune of this resonance to something. We can see here that this loop is in C minor, so let's go ahead and pair this to C minor. So this opening in this particular setting for pipe is going to change the opening size of the pipe. So now we're getting like a really cool like slapback delay kind of effect here. Now pair this with some convolution reverb. Whole new feel on this snare, and we can kind of dial this in with some chains and make it a little bit less intense. Let's have a dry chain here. And this might seem like a very subtle change in our snare, but it's one of those things where, you know, all these little subtle things we're doing is really going to add up. Maybe we'll make this nice and wide. Mid-side this. So subtle amounts of Corpus on pretty much anything like upper element, so like snares, hi-hats, synths, can really give like a cool metallic feel, and it also kind of puts the listener into space, like they're hearing it in a certain spot. Same thing as kind of like convolution reverb does. So definitely experiment with Corpus, use like incremental amounts, play with the tune, play with the different modeling effect, and you can get some really cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped you out. I'll see you next time. More.